Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta with pesto sauce from a jar. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including your favorite pasta, a jar of pesto, and any desired garnishes. Next, we'll focus on properly cooking your pasta to that perfect al dente texture. Then, we'll gently warm the pesto sauce to bring out its flavors without overcooking it. Finally, we'll combine everything for a delicious and easy meal. Let's get started. To cook your pasta perfectly, start with a large pot of generously salted boiling water. The salt enhances the pasta's flavor significantly. Add your pasta and stir occasionally to prevent sticking. Cook it according to the package instructions until it's al dente, meaning tender but still firm to the bite. Before draining, remember to reserve about 1/4 cup of the starchy pasta water. It's a secret ingredient for a silky sauce. Now let's prepare the pesto. Select a good quality jarred pesto for the best flavor. Pour the pesto into a large skillet or pan over low heat. You want to gently warm it through, not cook it. Boiling the pesto can diminish its fresh flavor and vibrant color. If the sauce seems too thick, add a splash of that reserved pasta water, 1 tablespoon at a time, to achieve a smoother, more emulsified consistency. Once your pasta is cooked, drain it well, but don't rinse it. Immediately add the hot, drained pasta directly to the pan with the warmed pesto. Toss everything together thoroughly, ensuring every strand of pasta is beautifully coated in the flavorful sauce. If needed, add another splash of pasta water to reach your desired consistency. Serve immediately, garnished with freshly grated Parmesan cheese or some fresh basil leaves for an extra touch of freshness.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.